In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Microsoft OneNote app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to get the right Microsoft OneNote app, you need to go to Google Play Store if you are on Android like me, or App Store if you are on iPhone. So I'll go to Play Store, and from Play Store go to search and just search for OneNote as one word like that and run your search. This will take you to this app. Tap on it to open and make sure it is from Microsoft Corporation, and this is the wording Microsoft OneNote Save Note. At the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.6 with over 1 million reviews. Currently this app is just under 100 MBs. This data might have changed by the time you're watching this, including the number of downloads. Currently this app has been downloaded over 1 billion times. Now if you see all these details, now you know that you have the right app. To get it, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Microsoft OneNote app and install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and open it from here, or if you go to your apps, now see we have our app here. Tap on it to open, and this is the welcoming interface with Microsoft logo down below. So that's how you can install the right OneNote app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.